Welcome back to another Wealth Code video, guys. Like, subscribe and comment if you want to see more of our great videos. Bad credit can feel like a heavy weight. Imagine trying to get into a club, but the bouncer says you're on the blacklist. That's what bad credit feels like in the finance world. Your credit score, which ranges from 300 to 850, is like your reputation among lenders. A low score can result from missed payments, high credit usage, or even bankruptcy. Many believe that if they have bad credit, loans are impossible to get, much like being stuck outside that club forever. But here's the good news: you can still get loans. It might take a bit of extra effort and a clever approach. By understanding how lenders look at your credit and what alternatives are available, you can improve your chances of getting a loan, even with bad credit. Let's break down the steps to make loans achievable, just like finding a backdoor to that exclusive club. Before you seek a loan, assess your credit situation thoroughly. It's like checking your car's engine before a long drive. You wouldn't want to be stuck on the road. Start by obtaining your credit report from major agencies like Experian or TransUnion. Look for changes over time, like scoring high last year but low now, which signals problems you need to address. Carefully scrutinize every detail. Are there errors? Old accounts? Any missed payments? Addressing mistakes can instantly raise your score. Knowing your score helps you understand where you stand and whether you're ready to talk to lenders. Getting educated about your credit gives you a stronger position. Think of it as knowing your strengths and weaknesses before stepping onto a sports field. This clarity will prepare you to negotiate better loan terms. So, understand your credit situation thoroughly before making any moves. When it comes to loans with bad credit, knowing your options is crucial. Picture being in a grocery store with a list of needs, but not sure which aisle has the best sales. Different lenders offer various products suited to your credit situation. You can choose from secured loans, where you use an asset like a car to back the loan, lowering risk for lenders. Alternatively, peer-to-peer lending lets you borrow from individuals through platforms, making it more personal. There are also credit unions, often more forgiving than traditional banks. They can be like friendly neighbors willing to help out. Another option might be a payday loan, but be cautious. They often come with high fees. Understanding these choices empowers you to select a product best suited to your situation. Like reading labels in the store to find the best deal. Knowing your options can help you save money and time later. Improving your credit score is more than just wishing for better luck. It's like training for a marathon, requiring consistent effort. Start by making payments on time. This is like watering a plant. If you neglect it, it wilts. Set up reminders or automate payments. Next, reduce your credit utilization. This is the amount you owe versus your total credit limit. Aim to keep this below 30%. If your score is not improving, consider becoming an authorized user on someone else's good credit account. This is like having a mentor. You learn from their good habits and boost your score. Paying down existing debts can also help. Each small victory, like paying off a credit card, is like another mile in your training. Over time, these habits will pay off, and your credit score can improve. Remember, patience is key. Just like with fitness, the results will come with commitment. Preparing for your loan application is similar to preparing for a job interview. You wouldn't just show up with no research, right? Begin by gathering necessary documents that back up your income and identity. This includes pay stubs, bank statements, tax returns, and identification. Lenders want proof that you can repay the loan, even if your credit isn't perfect. create a checklist to ensure you have everything ready at your fingertips. Also, consider drafting a personal statement explaining your credit situation. It's like telling your story. Avoiding surprises can help you connect with the lender. Make sure you know how much you need to borrow and what you can afford in terms of repayment. This is akin to setting a budget before a shopping spree. The better prepared you are, the smoother the process will go, increasing your chances of approval. Think of it as packing your suitcase with all the essentials for a successful journey. Just like finding the best restaurant requires looking at menus, shopping around for lenders is key to securing a good loan. Not all lenders are the same. Some specialize in bad credit loans. Start by researching local banks, credit unions, and online lenders. It's helpful to ask friends or family for recommendations. Once you find potential lenders, check their terms, interest rates, repayment plans, fees, and more. Use a comparison table, like checking prices before ordering a meal. It helps in spotting the best deal. Pre-qualification can be a smart move. It allows you to check loan terms without affecting your credit score. When you apply to multiple lenders, try to do so within 30 days. This ensures your credit score isn't hit multiple times. It's like tasting several dishes to find your favorite. It ensures you get the best option available. Remember, the right lender can save you money and stress. When you have bad credit, it's essential to prepare for higher interest rates on loans, much like knowing that a premium product comes at a higher price. Understand that lenders view you as a higher risk, which often leads to increased rates. To give you a clearer idea, let's say you qualify for a loan at a 5% interest rate with good credit. With bad credit, it might jump to 15% or even higher. This additional cost can add up, impacting your monthly budget. Before signing any agreements, calculate how much you'll pay over the entire loan period, not just the monthly payment. It's like budgeting for a vacation. Consider all associated costs beforehand. If interest rates seem too high and painful, consider other approaches, such as securing a co-signer with good credit. They can help lower your rate by reducing the lender's risk, potentially saving you a significant amount. Always do the math before making any financial decisions. Building a loan repayment plan is like drafting a roadmap for a long trip. It's essential for staying on track. After securing your loan, schedule regular payments you can realistically afford. Make a monthly budget that includes your loan payment as a fixed expense. It helps to factor in fluctuating income if you have one, trying to anticipate leaner months. Consider setting up reminders to avoid missed payments, which can hurt your credit further. Aim for a plan that allows extra payments when you have some extra cash. This is like taking alternative routes on your trip to reach your destination faster. Consistency is key. Imagine how great it would feel to watch that balance drop each month. Remember, just like any journey, there may be bumps along the way. Having a solid plan can guide you through challenges, ensuring you stick to your repayment goals. Stay committed, adjust as needed, and keep moving forward. Now that you know how to get a loan with bad credit, remember, it's all about preparation and strategy. Start by assessing your credit, exploring your options, and improving your score steadily. Prepare your application thoroughly, shop around, and understand potential costs. Building a solid repayment plan is key to ensuring long-term financial health. This isn't just about getting a loan. It's about taking control of your finances and building a better future. Share this journey with someone who is also struggling with bad credit. It can be empowering to support each other. Finally, take action. Start by checking your credit today and see where you stand. The road may be challenging, but remember, every small step you take brings you closer to financial freedom. So, don't hesitate. Take that leap forward and empower yourself with knowledge. Hit that subscribe button for more tips, and let's navigate this financial journey together. For more videos from Wealth Code, don't forget to like and subscribe.